Want this? Let's start editing. Add any Blackpink Twixter clips video. Clips durations are on the screen. On the first clip, add keyframe at the beginning of the clip. And on the middle part of the clip, zoom in a little bit the video on the screen. And at the end, zoom in more. Right near the first keyframe, tap the opacity and add keyframe. And on the first keyframe, adjust the opacity to 0 to create fade in effect. Now, right near the middle keyframe, add another keyframe. And before the last keyframe, adjust the opacity to 50. For the next clip, add keyframe at the middle part of the clip. And at the end, adjust the opacity to 50. Continue the steps on every clip. Now for the last clip, same steps, but the opacity of the end keyframe is 0. Go back to the first clip and add effect, black flash to under nightclub. Adjust the effect according to your preference. Extend the effect up to the last clip. Now tap the object and select all videos. When done, export the project. Result: